Want to launch your video editing career with exciting freelance projects? Let's dive into how to find those video editing jobs on Toptal first. Head over to Toptal.com and navigate to their freelance jobs section, or simply search for Toptal jobs on your preferred search engine once you're on the job board. It's all about the search. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type in video editor or video editing. You can also refine your search using specific keywords. Consider terms like motion graphics, color correction, YouTube editor, promo video, or corporate video. The more specific, the better chance you have of finding a perfect fit. Next, use the job filter to your advantage. Look for categories like video editing and video creation. You can filter by experience level, hourly rate, the project budget, and even the type of work. When looking at a job post, closely analyze the project description. Pay close attention to project tasks and specific software requirements such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, or Final Cut Pro. Look for examples of the company's editing style. Analyzing past videos presented in the description. Expect a variety of projects, from short promotional videos to long-form documentaries. Good luck finding your next exciting video editing project. Remember to update your Toptal profile with a winning portfolio and get ready to create some amazing content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more job hunting tips.